welcome back. In this class, we are going to continue with the notes and we are going to learn about a concept called semitones. We already know how notes are generated, the relationship between their frequencies with octaves and fifths. But now let's talk about semitones. And what is that? Easy. A semitone or half step is a unit of measurement used to measure the distance between notes. Take any note, for example C. The distance between this note and another one completely adjacent, like B or C sharp, that distance is one semitone. So we can say that the distance between B and C is one semitone. It is the same distance between C and C sharp. And I can take any note, for example F. The distance between F and F sharp is one semitone. Or I can take V to E. Here the distance is two semitones. Two semitones make a full tone, so you can say that the distance is two semitones or one whole tone. Either is correct, but I will use semitones. Now let's take any note and let's count how many semitones there are until we reach its octave. Let's start at C. The distance to C sharp is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we arrive again at C. Therefore, any note is at 12 semitones from its octave, whether above or below. Similarly, the fifth will always be at 5 semitones below or 7 semitones up. Another important piece of information is that within music production programs, you will find that each semitone can be divided into 100 units called cents. Therefore, moving a frequency 100 cents up or down is the same as one semitone. To make it clear, I always choose the note from which I want to measure and start counting from the next note. As homework, practice counting. Choose 2 random notes and count how many semitones there are apart. Count first from the lower note to the upper one and then vice versa. Then take 2 different notes and repeat the exercise. You need to practice counting because we are going to use it a lot in the next following classes. That's all for this class and see you in the next lesson.